Okay, guys, this is pretty much as far as we can go with this product. This is the Craftworks Serpentine Belt conversion kit that we made. So we finally got this out of anodizing. This is now hard to anodize because the last video we posted where we showed the a little bit of like the color of aluminum was coming off on the belt. We figured that it would eventually kind of eat into the pulleys, the belt. So it was recommended to hard anodize all the pulleys. So we got a little bit of the finish. The brilliant finish kind of dulled down a little bit from the hard anodizing, but it's a lot stronger now. So this is going to be a lot more durable. So this is pretty much everything. We're going to be releasing this about on Monday. Everybody that's already pre-ordered will be getting them first. We're going to be packaging these up, shipping everything out on Monday. So get in your pre-orders if you still want to get the $100 discount. Otherwise, it's going to go. The price is going up to $699.99 from the current $599.99. Okay. Thank you very much for everybody that supported us and everybody that has been very patient with us to get this this product done. But we definitely wanted to make sure everything was done as properly as we can get it, and then without any sort of issues. And we've been testing on our own car, and it has not had any issues. The belt is super quiet. The car doesn't even really have that whining sound that the old cogged belt system has. So we're really happy with it, and boosts exactly the same. Thank you. Take care.